Hello, welcome to this video. Hi everyone, my name is Clarice, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what I carry with me to fashion school. Here is my backpack. This isn't the actual backpack that I used for 2 years in the Philippines. I had a different backpack, pero similar naman siya sa ganito. First pocket right here, I would usually have my phone, but right now it's out. I always carry a sanitizer with me and hand lotion, but right now it's just not there. So in this first pocket, meron akong hair ties. Kailangan mo ng hair tie palagi kasi palagi kang nakayuko sa table kasi nagsusulat ka or nagpa-pattern ka. Then I have here my keys. And this isn't just like a regular keychain. This is actually a tape measure. So this was a gift from my cousin, Ate Tiffany. So thank you, Ate. That's very thoughtful of you. And then I also have here a mask. Even before the pandemic, I usually walk from my condo to school kasi close by. I would wear disposable masks, yung doble. And then last thing in here is I have my mango lip balm by EOS. Now onto the big part. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty packed. This is during pattern classes, but I'm gonna show you everything I carried through my whole journey. Here I have like my mini Kikai kit. I've shown this in my previous video, but here I have another lip balm. This is the Tony Moly Peach Lip Balm. I have here and eye drops. This is the Roto V Plus. I don't know if it's on focus, but this is the premium one. It stings your eyes because it's like menthol, but after that your eyes feel really good. If you're in fashion school, there's gonna be lots of fiber and lots of dust everywhere because there's paper, there's fabric, and all sorts of textiles that, you know, it's just surrounding the school. You're gonna need eye drops. And the entire school, naka-AC siya, so malamig din and you get dry eyes, so importante may eye drops ka. Just what's in there. The next thing in here is my water bottle. I think sa Pinas meron ganito, nakalimutan ko saan. But I think it's 500 pesos kasi dito sa US $10 siya. You're gonna need a lot of writing tools. So I have here my eraser. Yung eraser na to is this high polymer by Pentel. Again, I live by these erasers since high school. So nung fashion school, dala-dala ko to. You're gonna need different colored markers. When it comes to pattern making, meron kayong notes, especially pag first time nyo mag-pattern or ituturo pa lang sa inyo, hindi yung sarili nyong pattern. Iko-color code mo talaga yung lines para matandaan mo. That's how I learned. The mentors won't, require you to bring it. I highly suggest you get a wooden pencil. So I have here 3, and these are, as you can see, this one is yung pinakagamit ko because it's the tiniest one. This is a 2B. Dark kasi yung paper na ginagamit for patterns. So most likely, if you just use a regular pencil, which I have here, mechanical pencils, I do not recommend these. You can use this for note-taking or drawing, but you're gonna need darker pencils. So here I have the Faber-Castell mga 2B pencils and HB, so that's why I have these. More for note-taking, I just have regular pens. I just have 2 black pens and then a pink pen kasi again, color coding, it really helps, especially sa patterns and note-taking. I have another case right here, or a bag. This is from National Bookstore. Medyo madumi lang siya kasi ito talaga yung gamit ko sa school. And in here, I have a stapler. Hindi mo to magagamit palagi, but if you are in haute couture class or draping class, you're gonna use this a lot kasi magpa-patch kayo ng pattern paper because the pattern paper is not big enough na makagawa ka ng pattern for your big ball gown. Kahit yung maliit lang na stapler, yung pocket size lang na stapler, that would be nice too. You are gonna need a pencil, sharpener. If your pencil is dull, yung tip, mahirapan kayo sa patterns because pwede magkamali yung measurement nyo. Pag purol, is it purol? Basta dull yung tip ng pencil nyo. So always sharpen your pencils. Then I have here the adhesives. I have a glue stick, very important for pattern making. Again, you're gonna patch paper, you're gonna be layering pattern paper, you're gonna be gluing them down, folding them, you know. So I always have this, and then most of the time, ito talaga yung gagamitin nyo. These are going to be your best friends. Yung ito, mawawala to. I'm not saying na, you know, pero most likely, it's either mawawala to because someone took it, nakakala nila sa kanila, or maubos lang talaga siya. So always bring extra. The last thing in this bag, always have separate na gunting, guys. So ito yung for paper. This is actually just an extra na gunting. This is for fabric. That is everything in this pouch. Now, I also carry with me my journal. I will show you my notebooks in a second, but it is also important that you have your own journal or planner where you can take down your own notes. It could be your research or anything. And this was actually my notebook ng grad class. I have another one. This is the Limelight notebook from National Bookstore. I believe it's 299 pesos. I love these journals. I think this is my third one now, and I'm sad kasi wala akong baon dito sa US. I wish I bought more, like just for stocks. But just a, what do you call it, a sneak peek. Ito yung notes ko when I was studying for grad class. It was my research. My collection was Modern Maria Clara. So I have everything, almost everything in here. Now we have the notebooks. So these are my notebooks. These are from Muji. They come in a pack of 5. You're gonna have lots of notes, and just a sneak peek. Ayan, mapupuno talaga yan with drawings and lectures and all. And mas maganda na pahaba or malaki yung notebook mo so you can see everything in one page kasi ang hassle pag flip ng pages. If when you're making a pattern, gusto mo makita lahat ng instructions sa harap mo. So that's just a suggestion. Here's another notebook that I have. And this is what I meant na gusto mo lahat ng notes mo, nakikita mo in one page. This is my basic women's wear. So ayan. When you make patterns, again, you want to see them all in one page. And hindi kayo lipat na lipat. So mapupuno talaga siya. So get a wide notebook. Let me show you another clear book. Hindi naman siya palaging mapupuno. May mga times na manipis din. This is the advanced pattern making for ladies wear. And as you can see, yun lang siya. This clear book, ito yung reason na you're not gonna use your backpack throughout the year, I am telling you. Nung pag-graduate na ako, I used a duffel bag. Yung pang weekender, pang travel siya na bag. Ganito kalaki. Because look at this thing. This is for haute couture. Oh, no. This is for draping. And I even have actual fabric dito because magja-drape na kayo sa fabric. And the patterns are so big. As you can see, I have there may masking tape because dinugtong namin yung Manila paper. And please don't use Manila paper when you have pattern classes. That's only for emergency, but usually super nipis siya and in time napupunit siya. So that's not really good. That's basically everything in the backpack. So here's my pattern paper. Dito ko na siya nabili sa US, but pattern paper sa Philippines, they can go like probably my height. And imagine me, a 4'10" girl, naglalakad galing sa condo papunta sa school with a big pattern paper roll. Let me show you a size comparison. So this right here, this is actually a polypropylene filter I use nung gumagawa ako ng mask. This is probably 4 feet. There you go. I don't even know if you can see it, pero malaki talaga yung dadalhin nyo. Some people would leave their pattern rolls sa school. You can do that, but people will take pattern paper. Kahit anong tape mo pa yan at maglalagay ka ng note na don't you dare take from this. Kahit maglagay ka pa dyan ng curse or whatever, people will still take from that if they badly need pattern paper. So please don't leave your pattern paper rolls at school. Besides your patterns and your pencils, this is very important. So this is my bag of rulers, and again, na-mention ko siya sa Q&A ko na medyo mahal siya, but again, they will last you a long time if you take good care of them. So in here, I have 2 grading rulers. One is enough, okay? But me, being Clarice and medyo maarte, I have all of the extra stuff. I have 2 grading rulers. These are very important. I also have here 2 fashion forms. These are also very important. This one is my long-term plan. As you can see, may mga tape na and all kasi yung iba nagka-crack and then nagfe-fade din. And I have here my initials din. Gamit ko lang nail polish so no one takes it and I know it's mine. Here's just my extra one. Parang talo yung cheaper version lang niya. And it still works. And then this one. This is the L square. You're also gonna need this, especially for pattern blocks. Ito yung gamit ko. In here, I have a triangle. This is for children's wear. It's so cute kasi masyadong malaki yung rulers na to for measuring children's wear. Centimeters yung gagamitin, hindi inches. I'm gonna come closer because we are doing this. This right here is my sewing kit. You don't need this every day, but this is from Ace Hardware. Matching kami ng friend ko si AJ. So as you can see, I have here all my bobbin cases, and I'm telling you, these have names. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you could see it properly. You don't need 5 bobbin cases and 5 bobbins. Industrial sewing machine yung ginagamit sa school, so industrial din yung style. So again, I have my name. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, I have my name everywhere. You're also gonna need a left zipper foot and a right zipper foot. I also have here some needles. Again, they are industrial din. These are actually mga lalagyan to ng yung breath strips, yung nilalagay mo sa tang mo. But I reused them and nilagay ko yung needles ko dito. I have here my tape measure. I love this tape measure. It's black and white. I got this from Manila Fashion Supplies, and again, I have my name on it. Always have your name on it. Please, guys, please just listen to me. I also have just a cheaper tape measure. So this is the one. I should probably do like a big bird's eye view for this, but here goes what's inside. I'm just gonna go through it really quick. Do I have time? Okay, it's 2 minutes. Okay, so first here, I have my scissors. I got this from Manila Fashion Supplies for, I'm not sure how, but more or less 1,000 pesos. Good scissors, tailoring scissors, will cost not less than 500. I also have here a pin cushion na nilalagay mo siya as a bracelet. I used to have a magnetic one na hindi mo na kailangan ididikit-dikit yung pins mo. You can just put it there and magnet siya. I have here more weapons. Mga sharp objects ko nandito. So I have here some seam reapers. I have here a snipper. And I have here my very special embroidery na scissors are also for snipping. It's very cute. It's very fancy. And one time, nawala to sa school and nagagulo lahat. Kay Clarice yan ah! Bakit nasa'yo yan? So, actually very nostalgic yung video na to because it makes me miss fashion school. I really had fun. You're also gonna need a screwdriver. Now, I believe I got this from Ace Hardware. So, changeable siya. You're gonna need this as sewing machine kasi mag-change ka ng presser foot all the time. Mga basic colors. I have a black, white, and a cream na thread. I have here this container ng clips. These clips right here. These clips. And then, malalaking perdible. Pag marami kang layers and hindi na siya kayang mapin ng regular pins mo, then I would use clips. I have here my ring, and again, pag nawala to, and may nakakita, teka lang, kay Clarice yan ah. So it's just nice. Well, you know, you're pinning stuff in the mannequin, I have this. And then I have here my pins. Guys, if bibili kayo ng pins, I highly suggest you go to Divisoria. You can buy a box, literally like this big, puno ng pins for 300 or 250. But right now, this is what's inside. And here, I just have like mga hook and eyes. Here, I have a metal chopstick para makuha ko yung corners. Pinupush ko siya. So, ito gamit ko. I did embroidery sa collection ko. So, I have this box where I have my embroidery needles and then I have my embroidery threads. So, yan lang siya, mga DMC. I also carry with me some band-aids. I'm telling you, you're gonna need band-aids. Importante yung band-aids, guys. Lastly, in here, I have this tambour needles. So, this is for embroidery. Ito yung needle na to. But yeah, that's everything that I carry with me to fashion school. Again, not every day. It depends on your class. And I hope you find this video interesting. If you do, give it a like. And leave a comment down below. Just anything. If you have other questions that you think you want to know more details rather than just, you know, pang inbox siya rather than comment section, do send me a DM on Instagram. I always respond. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Again, everyone, God bless, stay safe, and always keep the faith. Bye bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.